Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make 22 and 96 pound. This is for UK. This system work worldwide. You can make 23 pounds, 25 pounds in dollars, or in India. It work everywhere. You can make money like that every single day. This is not an inspect element. I can refresh that page. I can show you that I made a 22 and 96. I'm gonna show you the entire method of what you have to do and where you earn that money. So watch that video continuously. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video. Also watch the video continuously for the full tutorials, and if you really like my video, click the like button on the bottom of the video, and also watch the end of the video so I can have a bonus point how you can make money on YouTube without making video my way. So you watch that continuously. Now, so what this method and how you can make money. The website first I'm going to show you is called hatchful.shopify.com. We are not drop shipping anything in Shopify. We are not selling anything here. This website belongs to Shopify and it allows you to create a logo for free. You can create and download logo free as much you want. Okay, what you have to do, you need to come up with an idea and you need to create a logo and you're going to sell to the buyers. Now in this video I'm going to show you the 5 websites where you can get those buyers and how you can make money out of it. Now what you have to do is first go to hatchful.com. I will show you how you can create a logo if you don't have a graphic design. Okay, if you have a graphic design, you can go and create a logo on Adobe Photoshop. I have an Affinity Designer, I can create it there. But if you don't have any experience in creating logos, so you can use this website to create a logo. First you need to click get started. It will give an option what is your business is for. You can fashions, garden, food and drink, tech, art and photos. These information will be provided by buyers. So when the buyers come and ask you to create a logo, they will give all the information what this business about, what sector they are doing and everything, so you can follow the step-by-step guide. So first this video sake I'm gonna go with tech. Now click next. It will take you to this page. You need to choose what style will be. Maybe they provide a style, or you can ask them what style they want, like a reliable or classic, a bold or futuristic, industrial, innovative. So I go with bold here and click next. Now type the business name again provided by them. So for this, for example, I put Tech World and click next. Now they ask what this logo for. Now you can use the logo for online and website, or the e-commerce site, or the blog. You can use the same logo. Then social media, because if you are running a website you must have a social media. Then print and swag. This is for letterhead papers and this is for business card, or you can select also large servers. Okay, if you do, I don't want that, I don't want the business card, I don't want the print, just social media and the website, and click next. Now it will give all the logos they made it for you using the informations. You can see all these logos are made automatically for you. Now what you have to do, click the one that you think is more appropriate. So for example this one, then it will take an inside page where you can edit those information. Like you can change the name, you can change the font style, you can see different font, you can change that, you can change the color. For example, you can see you can go with the light blue or purple or green, whatever you want, you can go with that. And what you have to do, click next, and you can download that logo. You need to create a free account, and you can say congratulations, your logo, your new logo, and download your logo for free. With the high quality you can download it for free. You can see there's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter. You can see the example of your logo will be put in this website. Now the harder part is coming with logo. You don't have to come with the idea, is making the logo. Now is that making logo is done. So how you can make money from selling these logos? The first website I recommend is go to logoground.com. You can see it from here, logoground.com. Here it is, you have to be 18 plus and they work worldwide. You don't need a creating account, is free, and you don't need to pay for upload, is free, and you can put the price as you want. You can make your own price each logo with a minimum of 150 and a maximum of 3000. Again, this website a little bit different. Minimum 150, you can put 150 or 160, 170 for the logo, and you keep 90% of the money you earn. Only pay 10% commission for them when the sales happen. Again, look to this website, Logo Ground pay you 90% of the money that you earn, and you can see minimum is 150. It's not 10 or 20, but I came across this website. I have a hood review and everything. You can see this is a better website to sell your logos. Put there and wait for the sales to happen. You can see you share 90%, 6.5% for them, and 3.5% for PayPal for the transaction fee, because it's PayPal transaction. Now this is the first website. The second website, watch it continuously. There's a last website which I'm going to show you is more efficient than any other website, so watch it carefully until the end. This one is called People Per Hour. Already I made a video. Is another freelancing website. You can see if I type logos, you can design logos here. Being spoke logo, unlimited concept revision and artwork for £10, 95, 20 and 15. You can see unlimited logo design and stationery, favicon and fonts and files, 90. You can offer different service because you are using the free software to create it. I recommend go with the low as possible. £10 is enough. You can say I can give you 4 different design, so you don't have to go back and download different 4 logo design. You can say I can do 6 revision. 6 revision mean you can change the font or the design of the logo 6 times and show them to the customer what they like, because it is only 5 minutes of your work, guys, so you don't have to charge more for that. So this is how you can make money on People Per Hour. The third website is, of course, is Fiverr, and you can see people are charging low as 4 to higher amount. So I used 2 of the Fiverr freelancer to make logo for my website in the past. One charged me 471, something like that. One charged me 877. So there's a different people charging different amount. You can see here this person charging over 25 and over 179 review. You can compete with them, but you can go as possible, low as possible, guys. So you can see these are some of them using, they have own knowledge in graphic design. These are the free software that you can use to make logo out of it, guys. Now the fourth one is called Upwork. Is similar to Fiverr. Again, you can see different people are charging different $40 per hour. Okay, this person earned over 100,000 by doing logo design. Located in India, 99% of review. This person earned 30,000 plus, and again $40 per hour. And you can see $60 per hour, $50 per day charging per hour. The logo design won't take it 3 or 4 hours to design, 1 hour maximum to design. So you can see they charge 45 per hour, and you can see some people are charging $12 per hour, some of them 30. So you can go and offer the service. But once you do understanding top 10 freelancer in this each platform, understand how they are offering the service, the description they write, the title they write, and copy and modify it your gigs, so you can sell more as possible when you start selling on this platform. The final one is called brandcrowd.com. Again, brandcrowd.com. You can see upload the design, sell the design, and make the money. Basic as simple. Here the joining fee is 0. You don't have to join and pay for anything. There is no monthly subscription. And how you get paid for myself, you tell us how you want to get paid. You can choose the PayPal, MoneyGram, bank check, or bank wire. This is that. And what is my commission for sales? As a brand code sales, you make 60% of commission on sales. So why I say this website is more more efficient than this website, because you're gonna keep 90% of the commissions. But here, one thing this website has, other websites don't have, is called logo maker. If you go down here, you can see this. These logo makes it completely different than Hatchful. Again, it's free, but this brand crowd logo maker belong to them, so you can make a logo here and sell it on here. That's why I'm selling more efficient. You know how to create a Hatchful, download and upload it here, and then you can make a logo straight away. You can sell it on brandcrowd.com. That's why I'm selling this more efficient. Again, you're gonna keep the 60% commission. Again, you guys, 5 minutes of your work, so 60%, even 30 or 20% commission is good for you, and you can make money out of it. Thanks guys for watching. If you really like my video, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. Also write me in the comment section what kind of video you want. Again, remember that if you're new to my subscriber, like and subscribe, because I will do the money giveaway on when I reach my 1000 subscribers. The bonus is make money on YouTube without making video. Is the video I made on a tutorial in Vietnam. I link it down in the end on the description at the bottom, so you can make money by doing creating converting articles into video. And this is the video about. You can go and watch it up. It's completely free. I don't charge anything. Why recommending people's selling this information for money? So I want to give you guys for free, and go and join Vietnamese. It's a 7-day free trials, no watermark. You can use it, make as much as video you want, or you can get a monthly subscription, which you can get 20% off for life if I click my link. But this is one way you can make money on YouTube. If you want to show your face, if you want to record any of your voice or video, you can use Vietnamese to make video. You can convert any text into video. They will add automatically a video or royalty free video and audio, royalty free video, background music, pictures, and auto generate AI voice for that. So watch the video how you can make money on YouTube without making any video. Thanks guys for watching video. Again, if you really like my video, subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell icon.